All right, guys, so we just arrived into our room here today. We have a suite here at the Planet Hollywood. Now we're gonna show you guys around.
So first thing you notice when you walk in, just how big this suite is. At more than 1,800 square feet, it feels more like a modern apartment than a hotel room. You get a formal entryway that opens up into a sleek, spacious living area with bold designer accents throughout. So one of the standout features in this suite is the lounge style seating area. You get a suspended sofa, and depending on the room layout, some suites include a birdcage swing, which gives it that signature Planet Hollywood personality. It's fun, stylish, and perfect for relaxing or taking in the views. Speaking of views, this suite has 3 massive strip-facing windows, and the panorama from up here is incredible. You can clearly see the Bellagio fountains, Caesar's Palace, and several major resorts. Day or night, it feels like you're looking out over your own private Vegas skyline, guys. The suite also includes a separate dining area with a full table, plus a roomy sitting area and large flat-screen TVs, giving you plenty of space to hang out, eat, or entertain. It's beautifully lit with cheers and drapes that let you control the mood of the room.
So guys, we got this room comped. As you can see to the right, this is with the normal price that you would have to pay if you was booking this room.
Moving into the bedroom, you get PH hip luxury bedding on a pillow top mattress, and the modern decor continues throughout. It's comfortable, stylish, and spacious, which you don't always get in themed Vegas hotels. The bathroom is designed with a separate shower and soaking tub, along with some bath products, plush robes, a makeup mirror, a hair dryer, and a large vanity area that makes getting ready super easy. Everything feels clean and modern with thoughtful touches you expect in a suite at this level. The suite also comes with a refrigerator and plenty of storage, guys, making longer stays more comfortable. And if you need even more room, Planet Hollywood does offer an upgraded 2-bedroom version of this suite. Overall, the Ultra Boulevard Suite delivers a mix of modern luxury, fun design, and one of the best in-room strip views you can get at this price point. If you're looking for space, style, and a true Vegas vibe, this suite is hard to beat.